It began not with a thunderous announcement, a cosmic fanfare, or any of the dramatic pronouncements we often associate with pivotal moments. No, this was far more subtle, far more insidious. It began instead with a whisper, a faint, almost imperceptible murmur against the vast backdrop of the universe. A secret shared across unimaginable distances. In the quiet, sterile rooms of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, where the hum of computers and the focused concentration of scientists filled the air, a new signal arrived. Faint, structured, and utterly unlike anything they had encountered before in their long years of deep space monitoring. It was a repeating pattern, a deliberate sequence cutting sharply through the constant cosmic static, emanating from the very edge of our solar system, a place thought to be silent and empty. At first it was almost dismissed, relegated to the realm of minor anomalies. Voyager 1's data, after all, travelling across billions of miles, is often faint and subject to interference, making unusual readings not entirely rare. But as they delved deeper, it became clear that this was no ordinary glitch, no random fluctuation in the background noise. The signal possessed a clarity, a deliberate structure that defied explanation. It was precise, measured, and lasted exactly 66 seconds, a duration that seemed both arbitrary and profoundly significant. It spoke in a language we couldn't comprehend, a series of pulses and modulations that resisted all attempts at decryption, then vanished abruptly, leaving behind an even heavier, more unsettling silence than before. The Deep Space Network team, seasoned veterans of countless cosmic mysteries, felt a distinct chill run down their spines. This was no known communication protocol, no familiar error message. This was something entirely new and potentially something profound. As they began the painstaking process of analysis, poring over waveforms and spectral data, the whisper returned. Another 66-second burst, an exact replica of the first, down to the smallest fluctuation, then impossibly a third time. 3 distinct bursts, each precisely timed, separated by an unnerving silence that seemed to stretch on forever. This was undeniably a pattern, a deliberate sequence, and not some random fluke of cosmic interference. The message, whatever its content, had been sent with a clear sense of purpose, with emphasis, as if desperately trying to be heard across the vast gulf of space. On July 11th, 2025, a date that would forever be etched in the annals of space exploration, the universe suddenly felt immeasurably larger, and our place within its grand tapestry infinitely more uncertain and precarious. The team, after days of relentless analysis, finally realized they were witnessing something truly unprecedented. A moment that would redefine humanity's understanding of its place in the cosmos. The familiar laws of physics, the comfortable assumptions about our cosmic solitude, suddenly seemed fragile and inadequate. The routine became extraordinary, the mundane transformed into a source of profound wonder and unsettling mystery. A complex and enigmatic puzzle had arrived from the inky blackness of the void, a challenge thrown down to humanity, demanding to be understood, to be deciphered, to be answered. The long and storied journey of Voyager 1, a testament to human ingenuity and exploration, had taken a new, unsettling and potentially transformative turn, one that promised to change everything we thought we knew about the universe and our place within it. To grasp this moment, we look back to 1977, when humanity launched the Voyager program. A rare planetary alignment allowed 2 spacecraft, Voyager 1 and 2, to slingshot past the outer planets. Voyager 1's mission: explore Jupiter, Saturn and their moons, revealing volcanic worlds and intricate rings. Each image and data point transformed our understanding of the solar system. After its planetary tour, Voyager 1's journey wasn't over. It was flung out of the solar system, beginning the Voyager Interstellar mission, its new task become humanity's first emissary to the stars, crossing into interstellar space. Voyager 1 carried our hopes, venturing into the unknown darkness between the stars. Its odyssey was just beginning. Voyager 1, a testament to human ambition and engineering, is now over 16 billion miles from Earth, a truly staggering distance. It's so distant that its faint signals, travelling at the speed of light, take more than a day to reach us here on Earth. This delay underscores the immense gulf it has traversed. It's our only probe to have ventured into interstellar space, having crossed the heliopause, the boundary of our sun's influence, back in 2012. This marked a monumental achievement in space exploration. The environment it now finds itself in is truly alien new particles, unlike anything encountered within our solar system. Strange magnetic fields shaped by forces far beyond our sun's reach and intense cosmic radiation, a constant bombardment from distant corners of the galaxy. Powered by a decades-old nuclear generator, Voyager 1 endures in this harsh environment, its technology ancient by today's standards, but remarkably resilient. Its onboard computer is far weaker than even the simplest modern car key fob, a fraction of the processing power we carry in our pockets every day. Yet it survives, faithfully sending its precious data back home across the vast gulf of space, a testament to the ingenuity of its original design. Voyager 1 will never return to our solar system. It drifts onward at an incredible 38,000 miles per hour, a speed that seems almost incomprehensible. Despite this immense velocity, it will not be nearing another star for at least 40,000 years, highlighting the truly immense distances between stars. It is a silent messenger carrying a golden record, a fragment of humanity's culture and knowledge into the vast expanse of the Milky Way galaxy. Its journey will likely outlast our civilization, a monument to our insatiable curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge beyond our world. The probe is a relic of a bygone era of space exploration, a pioneer that dared to venture where no human-made object had gone before, and a testament to human ingenuity, our ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. In the vastness of space, it is our lone voice, a whisper carrying our hopes and dreams into the cosmic ocean. The silence of deep space is a constant companion to those who listen. But the signal that broke that silence was unlike anything heard before. It was a jarring disruption, a ripple in the cosmic ocean of background noise. Voyager 1's usual telemetry is predictable, a steady stream of data painting a picture of its journey. But this was different. This was a 66-second burst, an anomaly that stood out against the expected hum. And what made it even more perplexing was that it was repeated 3 times, an echo across the vast emptiness. A single anomaly, a blip in the data stream, could be easily dismissed as cosmic interference or a technical glitch. But repetition, deliberate repetition, meant intent. It suggested a purpose, a message trying to be conveyed. The signal wasn't garbled or corrupted by the immense distances it had travelled. Instead, it was structured, coherent, and seemed to be composed in a new dialect, a language no one recognised. NASA engineers scoured every command and error code, meticulously checking every line, but nothing matched the strange transmission. Randomness doesn't repeat with such precision. This was a pattern, a deliberate arrangement of data points that defied explanation. After the third burst, as abruptly as it began, Voyager 1 returned to normal, resuming its standard telemetry as if nothing had happened. The anomaly vanished, leaving only questions hanging in the air, unanswered and unsettling. It was as if the probe, after decades of silent travel, had briefly awakened to deliver a cryptic message, a fleeting glimpse into the unknown. The watchers on Earth were left to grapple with the impossible, to decipher a puzzle with no apparent solution. The pattern was clear, etched into the data with unmistakable clarity, but its meaning was lost, shrouded in mystery. The familiar probe, a symbol of human exploration, had become an enigma, a source of profound bewilderment. The silence after the signal, the return to the expected quiet, was the most profound of all, amplifying the mystery and leaving everyone wondering what it all meant. NASA knew this was no ordinary event. Deep space anomalies are common, but this signal was structured, not random or corrupted. Its 66-second duration was precise, repeated identically 3 times. This suggested order and intent, not malfunction. Voyager 1's software is old and well documented. Nothing unknown should exist in its memory. The appearance of a new repeating signal was like hearing a new verse in a familiar song. It simply shouldn't be there. The team faced a disturbing possibility. Perhaps something fundamental had changed in the probe. After decades, Voyager 1 was no longer just hardware. It had become something else. The predictable relationship between creator and creation was broken. The 66-second whisper shattered their certainty. The probe's behavior was now a mystery. The line between malfunction and message had blurred. Science demands ruling out the ordinary before embracing the extraordinary. NASA investigated every mundane explanation, interference, hoaxes, cosmic events. The signal was received by multiple stations, matching Voyager 1's trajectory and speed. No terrestrial or cosmic source could account for the precise, repeating bursts. The possibility of a sophisticated hoax faded. No known radio sources in Voyager's region matched the pattern. Two unsettling options remained: an unknown internal fault or a message. The source, whether the craft or something else, remained unknown. Any signal from Voyager 1 is a triumph of engineering a conversation across the void. These signals are our only direct link to interstellar space. The new anomaly is different. It's data about the messenger itself. If it's a malfunction, it teaches us about resilience in the harshest environment. But what if it's a response? Voyager 1 carries a golden record, a message to the cosmos, with greetings, music and images from Earth. The new signal forces us to consider, have we received a reply? The golden record is a key and an address. The repeating signal feels like a knock from the farthest reaches. Perhaps for the first time we are not alone in the silence. The mystery of Voyager 1's 66-second message remains unsolved. Scientists continue to analyze, but for now we have only questions. Is it a dying machine's last cry, a cosmic phenomenon, or a deliberate communication? In not knowing, we rediscover wonder. For decades, we listened for signs of life and heard only silence. Now, a whisper has come back from the edge of our home. The universe may speak in ways we're only beginning to understand. Voyager 1's journey mirrors our own search for meaning. Its signal challenges us to be more curious and humble. The little probe has done more than travel to the stars. It sent back a puzzle that unites us in awe. The greatest adventure is not just the journey outward, but the quest for understanding itself.